Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and navigating straight to the images or gallery area. Once there, click the search or upload icon. You need a clear reference image and a few targeted keywords that describe style, subject, and mood. Make sure image size and format meet Leonardo's limits, then drag and drop or use the upload button. Once uploaded, the tool will index the image. This initial upload is the first actionable step toward locating similar or matching assets. Once your image is indexed, refine results by applying filters. Select model versions, style tags, and dominant colors to cut noise. You should pair the image with a concise text prompt to bias the search. Describe key elements like composition, era, and lighting. If Leonardo offers similarity or confidence sliders, move them to prioritize closer matches. Make small adjustments and rerun the search until hits look relevant. This iterative approach reduces false. You now inspect the top matches and open details to confirm model, seed, and prompt used to generate each image. Once satisfied, save or export results and copy the successful prompt for reproduction. If results are poor, troubleshoot by broadening filters, removing restrictive color or style tags, simplifying your prompt, or re-uploading a higher quality reference. Finally, try switching model versions if available. That often resolves mismatches and yields better similarity hits quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.